Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lens on your Oakley Radar EV series frame. Now this technique will work whether you have the Radar EV path or the Radar EV pitch. The lenses are essentially the same. The only big difference is the Radar EV path has a curvature here, as opposed to the pitch, it's more straight. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure that the frame is facing towards you, so the mirrored portion looking at you. And then you're going to put your thumbs here at the bottom of the nose piece, here and here. You're going to push inward. And as you push inward, you're going to push the nose piece out. Let's give it a try. Like that. And you should hear a little bit of a pop. If you do hear that pop, don't be alarmed. It's just the lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frames. Now to unseat the lens from the top portion of the frame, we're just going to push up with our thumbs. And the lens should pop right out. So now to install your new Radar EV lenses, you're going to want to start by locating these hooks here, located on each side. And you're going to want to line up those hooks to the grooves inside the frame. And in here on the corner, there's a little notch where this hook latches onto. So we want to start off by inserting that hook into that notch first. Like that. And then we're going to do the same thing to the opposite end. Now don't be scared to give this lens a little bit of a bend. They're very sturdy. The majority of what's holding on this lens in right now is tension. So go ahead and give the lens a bend. Once you've done that, make sure that the top portion of the lens is lined up with the grooves of the top portion of the frame. So we're going to press down slightly and push up to seat it. Once we've done that, we're going to push the nose piece forward or towards you to make sure that it locks in there correctly. So we're going to push in with our fingers and back, and then we're going to push down or push down on the lens itself here. And you should hear that seating. Like that, those pops. And now you're good to go. Once you've installed your new Seek Optic lens into your frames, we would love to see how you've customized your look to fit your everyday needs. So whether it's a new set of replacement lenses offered in a variety of colors, or of course, ear socks and nose pads that are highly compatible to Oakley's unobtainium, go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag SeekOptics. Don't forget to give this video a like, and of course hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And if you have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.